Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and I've a very important guest coming today. His name is Liam Griffin. He is an Irish actor and just finished his film The Irish Mob. Check it out on Amazon Prime. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Anyway, I'm going to cook him a beef curry because I haven't got much time, and this, would you believe, only takes an hour and a half, and the meat will melt in your mouth. I'm using short rib here with some potatoes as well to give it the vegetables as well. So first, as you see, I'm going to get all the ingredients ready. Chop up the onions and the tomatoes and the ginger and garlic and so on. So everything's on hand when I'm about to cook it. I'm going to cook this one a little bit different method. I'm going to put all the dry spices in at the beginning of the video, where normally I do it at the end, because I want the meat to take in all that flavor from the spices. So I'm going to just let it cook gently with all the spices, but keep an eye on it, because once you put the spices, sometimes it can stick to the bottom or burn. So always keep stirring it, make sure that it's not burning at the bottom. So as you can see, I'm going to get the garlic ready. Instead of putting the garlic and ginger in a blender, I'm just going to use my knife to turn it into a paste. This method we used to use in the restaurant, and it's very quick and very easy. It saves all the washing up of the blender and that before. So do it this way, especially if it's just for one curry. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification and the like button, so that when I do release new videos, you will get notified. I will be starting a new series as well in a couple of weeks time, which I'm going to do my entire menu over a month period, which you can follow. So look out for that one as well. So I'm going to just leave it there and just let you watch this video. So bye for now, and enjoy. How is your meat curry?
Oh man, I mean, I think we just missed the first reaction, but it's delicious. It's delicious. It just kind of comes off the bone and it blends.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Nice and tender, yeah.
Lovely and tender. You can tell it's been really kind of, I don't know, marinated or stewed in the spices.
It's
of it.
been stewed, like
Yeah.
like you would stew Irish stew.
Yeah, yeah.
Similar, but basically you do kind of simmering, so it kind of cooks slowly, not fast, and that's what makes it tender within an hour.
That's unbelievable that you get that tenderness within an
Yeah,
hour.
within an hour.
Because, like you said, with a stew,
Yeah,
you're looking at a good stew takes, cook it, release the
Yeah,
heat,
yeah.
you know, let it settle and then slow heat
Yeah.
again.
Well-
and that is just,
enjoy it.
thank you very much, I will indeed.